April 27th, 2019. It is raining outside and I'm super tempted to just go and like park at the library or something because my car needs a wash. And I'm sure Taylor wouldn't mind going for a car ride. Sure, she just like super perked up. So it's only 8:30 in the morning. So we might go, or I might go eat first or something. I don't know. Now she's gonna be all excited because she thinks we're going somewhere. The rain has turned to snow, and like giant chunks of snow. Thankfully, it seems to be melting when it hits like the roads and stuff, but I am not going out. Plus, people are moving in today. Great weather for moving, but anyway, I can't take the elevator, and I'm too lazy to take stairs up. Crazy. I'm having like huge cravings today, so I'm going to batch cook and hopefully get that down because I need to get back to whole food plant-based. And Taylor is mad because there's people moving in on our floor, and she doesn't like people walking in the hall. Time to edit some vlogs. I blocked off the door and now she's not barking because it's like there's a magical wall there. Such a good puppy now. Lentils are cooking. Time to mash some potatoes. Smells so good. I don't know if you can see it. It seems really dark, but oh, it smells good. I probably cooked a little too much lentils, but oh well. Yummy. We have a blizzard warning. It's not doing anything right now. Time for some Mass Effect Andromeda. People hate on this game because the storyline kind of sucks and the character interactions kind of suck. But the actual like gameplay is by far my favorite Mass Effect. Just cruising along. Yeah, that's an interesting thing that I'm going to have to defeat. This is the issues that people have with this game. The person I'm talking to be honest, can't even see. I don't know if I would have gone through with it. Nothing like looking at a wall. I have to show you guys this because I find this funny because the first Mass Effect games took around 30-35 hours and I'm at 32% in 30 hours. So, yeah, got a while to go on this game. Pretty sure I filmed this yesterday and there was absolutely nothing. And it said it would take like a couple weeks to grow. Holy smokes, it just scared me because I turned to water it and boom, there are plants growing. So it is still not raining, even though it's been raining on Pokemon Go all day. And we have a blizzard warning, but other than the snow, like it's all gone now. But my lights keep flickering. So I'm hoping the power doesn't go out. I'm sad because tomorrow is my last day. Oh, light just flickered again. Looking at strollers because that's what I do. It's very windy and the lights keep flickering. I think it's thundering. That or it's just the train. But I think it might be thundering. It might be time to go to bed. You guys probably can't see much, but it is officially a blizzard out now. It is snowing like crazy and blowing like crazy. And the power has gone out twice already. Thankfully not for a long time, but still.